OvrC, Control4 Dealer change. In this video, we'll show you how to change a customer's Control4 dealer. This procedure should only be carried out at the customer's request. Once it's done, you'll be able to manage the customer's OvrC account, access the installation remotely in the event of problems, and assign 4 sites to the customer. Here are the steps we will follow. 1. Change Smart Home Pro. 2. Accept an OvrC. 1. Changing Smart Home Pro. This operation must be carried out by the customer in person after being informed by the integrator that he will become its customer for all Control4 questions. Go to https://customer.control4.com. Use the same identifiers as for the Control4 application on a smartphone or tablet. In the top menu, click on My Account. Then select Smart Home Pro. Click on Change My Pro. Here the customer will need to explain why he wants to change. In this case, we will choose Inconvenient Location. Changing a dealer is permanent, so there will be a warning informing about this. Check the I understand box and click Continue. Type in the input box the dealer name, then click Search. A list of dealer appears. Select the good one, then click on the True option. The new dealer appear as selected. Now the dealer need to continue on his side. 2. Accept an OvrC. Once the customer has called you, you need to go to the customer's premises to carry out the takeover. Connect on your OvrC account. You have a new section appearing, New Customer Pending. You have the customer name and its location. Click on Accept Customer button. Now you add this customer to an existing customer or create a new one. Here, we will create a new one. Fill the informations and click on Accept Customer. Now you can check that all devices are in the customer's account. Thank you for watching this video. Don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel to be notified of new videos. You can also find all our products and other tutorials on our website.